Well, hello there. I'm Dr. Cheryl, and today I'm going to talk to you about why you need to make your sexual life your new hobby. Say what? I mean, that sounds pretty good, but here's another teaching from couples I work with in my online programs or sometimes live in my office. Couples who come to me because things aren't going well. That's why you call. You don't call because everything's perfect. Now, one of the major complaints in the sexual, erotic, sensual realm of a relationship is, we have sex, we make love, not as often as we'd like. You learned in that previous video, schedule sex. That helps it happen more often. But our sex life is okay. Used to be great, now it's okay. But it's the way it is. We've got the kids, we've got jobs, we're busy, and frankly, we're also pretty tired. And allow me to say, Dr. Cheryl style, and you watch way too much TV. That's what's hurting your sex life. Too much TV. Get the TV out of the bedroom. Oh my Lord, don't get me started on the rant of why you should not have a TV in your bedroom. The short answer is the bed is for two things, making love and sleeping. Other than that, boom, get it out of the bedroom. Back to my point. Make your sex life a hobby. This is what I teach couples I work with. What does that mean? Think about what a hobby is. If I were to ask you right now, what differentiates a hobby from another sort of chore or job or your paid work or your career? Well, okay. A hobby is something I do because I want to, not because I have to. A hobby is something that I enjoy. A hobby is something that's important to me, so I prioritize it. If you are a golfer, you probably plan 1 or 2 Sundays a month to have 5 or 6 hours where you can go play 9 or 18 rounds of golf, right? You prioritize it. You carve out time for your hobby. You make it important. And what's more, we don't want to just stay at the same level in our golf game or our painting class or our tap dance routine. We want to improve. With a hobby, we're motivated to study, to learn, and to enjoy speaking to a coach or a master, reading a book, watching a video, learning how to become better at it. Make your sexual life your new hobby. Make time for it, prioritize it, plan for it, learn to do better. Make it important. Prioritize your passion. That is my number one tip for you this week and for the rest of your lives. Make love intentional. Don't let your sexual romantic love life take care of itself. It never works. You know what does work? Deciding to become passion. Actively, I'm going to create the passion I want in my relationship. That's what my new upcoming masterclass is all about. In fact, it teaches the 3 keys to passion, how to become passion. I'm going to be delivering this live online. You can sign up below and learn a whole bunch more about it by clicking below. The greatest part of this class, well, there are 2 great parts. The first is I'm going to deliver a whole lot of information that you can apply starting today on how to make the 3 keys to passion: emotional intimacy, thrill and excitement, and erotic and sexual sensuality, strong or stronger or dizzyingly great in your relationship starting today. And then I'm going to stick around and offer a live Q&A where you will be able to ask me specific questions that relate to you and your partner, about arguing, about what to do about sexuality, about a conflict you're having about how to raise your kids, about anything. And I will stick around and answer those and help you out in every way I can. I will stay until the last question is answered. I don't care if I'm there till midnight. So click below, learn more about it, and I cannot wait to see you coming up in the next week or so on the live masterclass. Woohoo! I'm actually super excited because it's the first time I've had the chance to teach this stuff online, free to folks like you. I will see you there.